So the thing is with using ChatGPT and similar tools, it's garbage in, garbage out, right? So if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't know the full strategy, if you don't know the output, then you just otherwise don't know how to assess the quality of the content that you're getting. Or you'll get back really poor quality and get frustrated and actually spend more time trying to tweak it than if you just written it yourself. So the thing I tell my club members and anyone who I train, it's about think about the end picture, the end goal. What do you actually want? And train up the tool. Speak to it like a virtual assistant, not just like don't just shoot demands at it. Treat it like a person because it has been trained like that, and then really give it as like really thorough prompts with clarity, with just like in terms of a briefing, right? You wouldn't just say to an intern, for example, or an offshore assistant, uh, can you put together a social media strategy for me on this topic? Because there's just so much room for error there. You would say, okay, do a social media strategy for, June to December, and it includes posts for Instagram and LinkedIn. And we want posting times of this and this. I want every month these themes. Be as thorough as possible. And that's then when you're more likely to get your desired outcome. But this is where anyone who is experienced in marketing or experienced in copywriting or doing these things, right? We know what goes into it. We know what the end picture is. So then we can work backwards from that. So that's why I get a little bit upset when I hear about marketing agencies, sacking their whole copywriting team, or many other copywriters out there not getting work because people are using AI. If the people using AI don't understand the strategies involved, like for marketing purposes, or don't understand what strategies are going to like good structure or a good story in content, then they're shooting themselves in the foot. But unfortunately, we have to wait until they realize that.